Hey Chopper Shoppers, we are out of the kitchen and in my backyard today grilling up some Hawaiian Kabobs.
I'll let Sarah fire up the grill while I talk you through the vegetables. Today we're going to be grilling up some bell peppers, red onion, and zucchini. And for our protein source, we're going to be adding chicken. If you're a vegetarian, just add extra vegetables instead. You can add anything you like and it'll be just as good. We'll want to cut our vegetables into large chunks just so they don't burn when they're on the grill.
So our marinade is going to serve as a sauce too as we get our meat on the grill. It's soy sauce, lime juice, sugar, ginger, garlic, red pepper flakes, a little fish sauce. So it's got a really great dynamic flavor. Our sauce marinade makes about 2 cups. So we'll put 1 cup into marinade and then a 2nd cup we'll use later for basting and serving. It's really important after we're done marinating the chicken that we discard all of the sauce that's in that bowl because we do not want to cross-contaminate with the raw chicken. Assembly for our kebabs is super simple. Just make sure your skewers have been soaked in water for 1 hour and that keeps them from burning when they're on the grill. To add some extra sweetness, we are going to alternate with some pieces of pineapple. When our grill reaches 400 degrees, we will put on our kebabs. So once you've turned and basted your kebabs, you'll cook them for about 4 more minutes and then they will be done.